Yeah, what's up, y'all? I'm back for another video. On this video, I'm gonna be trying the Krave cereal. I haven't tried it before, so let's see what the box is on here. Kellogg's Krave cereal, real chocolate, made with real chocolate. You got chocolate, crispy multigrain cereal outside, smooth chocolate inside. So, see what's in this box. Let's open it up. I hardly ever eat cereal, but I just wanted to try this because I haven't tried it. So let's get in the box. This is what we got in the box. The bag. We open it up. It's hard to do with one hand. That was kind of easy, though. Pour it in there. Let's see what they look like, though. Okay. See what it looks like inside. I gotta bite it to see. That one's empty. I don't see nothing in there. Wait. Okay. See the chocolate in there. Yeah. It's kind of like chocolate powder or whatever. It tastes good though. Got my little short thing of milk. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let's go to the table and eat them. See what they taste like. Got the little chocolate in there. I think they got another flavor. They got the chocolate with the chocolate, whatever. They're pretty good. Do taste good. Never had none before, but they good. So kind of like chocolate in the things or whatever. It tastes good though. See y'all later. Peace.